video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey guys, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a Castle Island map into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the map which you are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. You just have to scroll down over here. Then click on this link. Now you will redirect to the Tibet store. You just have to click over here and get the map into your ESX portal and download the map. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now, and this is the island which we have installed into our FiveM server, as you can see. And this is the location in the map over here. In front of me, you can find a portal over here, as you can see. And there are some floating islands as well. Now let's get upstairs. So this is the top area of this island over here. And this is the biggest area of this island. And these are the places inside this castle. There are lots of things over here. And there are much more things which you can explore it on this island. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.